In this lecture, we will learn about a novel wireless communication technique specially designed for next-generation wireless communication technologies. The following points will be discussed in detail. Challenges experienced by current wireless systems. Demands of current and next-generation wireless systems. Review of available technologies. The novelty of the proposed technology. Mathematical modeling of the proposed system. Simulation of the proposed model in MATLAB. Performance of the proposed technology against conventional wireless systems. What will I learn? The benefits of this course include: 1. Learn the current research direction in wireless communications. 2. Learn how to mathematically model a wireless communication architecture. 3. Learn how to simulate a wireless system in MATLAB. 4. Learn everything about the new wireless communication technology with very high potential. 5. Learn how to read and interpret bit error rate (BER), peak to average power ratio (PAPR), throughput, and other metrics.